My dear students, welcome to D.M.PANNALE classes YouTube channel. Now we will discuss 3 mark questions. Now we will discuss 3 mark questions. Question number 25. Root 5 is an irrational number. Is an irrational number. Or choosing question. Find the HCF of 24 and 40 by using Euclid division algorithm. Hence, find the LCM of HCF of 24, 40 and 20. Okay. Uh, Now, first we have to discuss root 5 is an prove that root 5 is an irrational number. Okay. Let us assume that by using contradiction method to prove root 5 is an irrational number. Okay. Let us assume that root 5 is rational. Root 5 is rational. Okay. Here we consider root 5 is a rational. For this we consider root 5 is equal to p by q, where p, q are co-prime, q is not equal to 0. Okay. Here we know that the definition of co-prime, two integers a and b, two integers a and b are said to be co-prime if the only positive integer that divides both of them is 1. This is the definition for co-prime. Okay. P is q is transposed into left hand side. We get p is equal to root 5 into q. Okay, squaring on both sides, we get p square is equal to 5q square. Here 5 divides p square. Okay, here 5 is transposed into the left hand side. We get uh, p square divided by 5. P square divided by 5. Okay, 5 divides p square, hence 5 divides p. Therefore p is equal to 5k. So again squaring on both sides, we p square is equal to 25k square from 1 and from equation 1 and from equation 2. 5 q square is equal to put p square is equal to 25k square, then q square is equal to 5 times k square. 5 divides q square. Okay, 5 divides q square, hence 5 divides q. Since 5 is a common factor, because 5 divides p and 5 divides q, this is contradiction to our assumption. Our assumption is wrong. Therefore root 5 is a irrational number. Okay, this is the required result. Second question, choosing question is like this. Okay, find the HCF of 24 and 40. First we have to find the HCF of 24 and 40 by using Euclid division algorithm. By using the definition for by using the definition Euclid division algorithm to find HCF of 24 and 40. Then find LCM of HCF of 24, 40. My dear my dear students, here it can be clearly observed that HCF of 20, first we have to find HCF of 24 and 40, then that value and 20 to find LCM of that value and 20. Okay. Second question, a is equal to 40 and b is equal to 24. Okay, according to division lemma, a is equal to bq plus r, where 0 is less than or equal r less than b. Okay, 40 can be written as 24 into 1 plus 16. 24 can be split into 16 into 1 plus 8. Okay, 16 can be split into 8 into 2 plus 0. Therefore HCF of 40 and 24 is 8, because in this case we stop the process, we stop the process, because a remainder in this step is 0. Okay. uh, Next, to find LCM of HCF of 40 and 24, or LCM of 8 and 20. Okay, here 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to 2 raised to 3. 20 can be split into 2 raised to square into 5. LCM of 8 and 20 is equal to 2 cube into 2 cube into 5. 8 into 5 is equal to 40. 40 is the LCM of 8 and 20, or by using alternative method to find LCM of 8 and 20. Here this is our this method is familiar to all students. Okay, or we go through this method to find LCM of 8 and 24. Okay, sorry, 8 and 20. The LCM of 8 and 20 is 40. Okay. Next question number 26. To save fuel, to avoid air pollution, and for good health, two persons A and B ride a bicycle for a distance 12 km to reach their office every day. Okay, as the cycling speed of B is 2 km/h, more than that of A. B B takes 30 minutes less than that of A to reach the office. Find the time taken by A and B to reach the office. Okay, here our aim is to find the time taken by A and B to reach the office. Okay, solution or answers. We don't know the speed of A. Because of this, we consider x kilometer per hour. That here we know that the formula time is equal to distance by speed. Okay, here the time taken by A to reach the office is t1. Okay, t1 is equal to distance divided by speed. Distance is 12 hours. We consider speed is x kilometer per hour. Because of this, the time taken by A to reach the office is equal to 12 by x hours. Similarly, the speed of B is given, that is 2 km/h, more than that of A. Means speed of B is equal to speed of B is equal to speed of B is equal to sorry speed of B is equal to speed of B is equal to speed of B is equal to x plus 2 kilometer per hour. The time taken by B is equal to, again, t2 is equal to 12 divided by x plus 2 hours. Okay, given that it is given t1 t1 minus t2 is equal to 30 minutes. Okay, 30 minutes can be converted into in terms of hour. 30 minutes is equal to 30 minutes is equal to 1 by 2 hours, or 30 minutes can be written as this is equal to 30 divided by 60. Okay, 31s are 32s are, okay, 1 by 2 hours. Okay, this is equal to, okay, here put t1 and t2, t1 and t2. T1 minus T2 is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, here put T1 is equal to and T2 is equal to, take LCM in LHS. LCM of x and x plus 2 is x into x plus 2. Then after simplification we get this is equal to this step and this step. Okay, 12 into x plus 24 minus 12. Here this and this get cancelled. X into x square plus 2x is equal to 1 by 2 as it is. 24 by x square plus 2x is equal to 12. Again cross multiplication we get 24 times 2 is equal to 48, and x square plus 2x into 1 is equal to x square plus 2x. Okay, here 48 is transposed to right hand side, we get x square plus 2x minus 24 8 is equal to, sorry, for minus 48 is equal to 0. Okay, here this is our quadratic equation by using any one of the method to find the values of x. Okay, here 2x plus 2x can be split into x square plus 8x minus 6x minus 48 is equal to 0. Here x square plus 8x minus 6x minus 48 can be written as okay here taking a common factor x from first two term we get x into x plus 8. Okay, here taking common factor minus 6 from last two term we get x plus 8. Okay, x plus 8. Again taking common factor x plus 8 we get what we get this is equal to x plus 8 then the remaining uh, remaining terms is x minus 6. Okay, x minus 6. Okay, here x is equal to minus x is equal to according to zero product property x plus 8 is equal to 0 x is equal to minus 8 x is equal to minus 8 or x minus 6 is equal to 0 x is equal to 6 x is equal to 6. Therefore the speed of a is 6 km per hour. The speed of b is x 6 plus 2 is equal to 8 km per hour. Here our aim is to find the time taken by a is equal to distance by speed is equal to 12 by 6 is equal to 2 hours, and time taken by b is 1.5 hours. This is the solution of this question. Or by using alternative method to find time taken by a, time taken by b. Okay, the answer is same. Okay, by using alternative method also. Okay, uh, question number 27. If x is equal to p tan theta plus q sec theta and y is equal to p sec theta plus q tan theta, prove that prove that x square minus y square is equal to q square minus p square. Or okay, choosing question is like this. Okay, here these two examples are simple. Here we observe first question we observe that our aim is to prove x square minus y square is equal to x square minus y square is equal to q square minus p square. Just here x is given, y is given, squaring and subtracting from one another we get x square minus y square is equal to, after simplification we get LHS. Okay, now we'll discuss our first question. Here x is given, that is x is equal to p tan theta plus q sec theta, and y is equal to this squaring on both sides we get x square is equal to p tan theta plus q sec theta whole square. Okay, here we know that a plus b whole square formula by using that to expand x square is equal to okay like this. Again y square is equal to again a plus b whole square formula, then expand it, then we get this result. Here equation 1 minus equation 2, or subtracting equation 2 from 1, both are same, then x square minus y square is equal to, already we find x square and y square, y square, then put x square is equal to and this is y square is equal to. Okay, then here we observe that 2 times of pq tan theta into sec theta minus 2 times of pq sec theta into tan theta get cancelled, we get these two result. Here taking common factor p square we get tan square minus x square theta. Here in this case sorry okay, this and this get cancelled. Taking common factor p square we get tan square minus x square theta, and taken common factor q square from these two terms we get x square minus tan square theta. Okay, here p square as it is, p square as it is okay, p square into tan square minus x square theta, taking common factor minus from this term we get minus q square, then these terms are interchanged, tan square theta minus sec square theta. Okay, here this and this is same, then take one common factor tan square theta minus x square theta, then remaining terms are p square minus q square. Here we know that this is equal to tan square theta minus x square theta is equal to minus 1, because by using trigonometric third identity, okay, third identity, that is 1 plus 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta, okay, sec square theta, then this is equal to minus 1. Then here again multiplying this by p square minus q square, we get q square minus p square, uh, q square minus p square. Therefore x square minus y square is equal to x square minus y square is equal to q square minus p square. This is our required result. Okay, second question. We consider LHS to prove RHS. This is given. Here we know that cot of 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. By using that formula, this is equal to tan square theta, and the cosec square theta as it is divided by tan square theta minus 1. This is as it is. Okay, here tan square theta is equal to sin square theta by cos square theta, because we know that tan theta is equal to sin theta by this is equal to this, and here reciprocal of sin theta is equal to cosec square theta. Cosec square theta is equal to 1 by sin square theta, and this tan square theta is can be written as sin square theta by cos square theta minus 1 plus sec theta and cosec theta can be written as like this. Here take LCM, take LCM in this, we get cos square theta. Then after simplification we get okay, here this and this get cancelled, and 1 sin theta get cancelled. Okay, this is equal to okay, here cos square theta and cos square theta get cancelled, sin square theta get cancelled. Okay, then sin square theta divided by sin square theta minus cos square theta, plus here this cos square is go into sorry this okay, here this can be written as like this, cos square theta divided by sin square theta minus cos square theta. Here take LCM, LCM sin square theta minus cos square theta, cos sin square theta plus cos square theta. Okay, by using trigonometric first identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Therefore this is equal to 1 divided by sin square theta minus cos square theta. This is our required result. Okay, question number 28. Find median. Okay, by using the following data. Okay, here to find median, first you have to find median class interval. Okay, first question is find median, and second one find mode. Okay, first question, okay, here this is okay, this is class interval, and this is given frequency and cumulative frequency. Okay, here this 7 as it is, this 7 plus 15 is equal to 22, 22 plus 20 is equal to 42, 42 plus 8 is equal to 50. This is our cumulative frequency. Okay, first we have to find median class interval. Okay, here n is equal to, small n is equal to 50, 50 by 2, n by 2 is equal to 25. Just the median class is lie or just greater than n by 2, just greater than n by 2 is 42. Because of this, the class median class interval is 60, 80. Okay, by using this class interval to find L is the lower limit of median class, and CF is the cumulative frequency. Corresponding frequency is what? Corresponding, sorry, cumulative frequency is 22. Okay, F is equal to F is frequency of a median class. This is 20, and H is the class size, which is the class size. Okay, then by using standard median formula to find median. Okay, here L is equal to 60, N by 2 is 25, C into F cumulative frequency is 22. 22 by 20 into class size is 20. Okay, then after simplification we get this and this get cancelled, we get 60 plus 3. 60 plus 3 is equal to 63. This is median is 63. Okay, second question, find what mode here. Model class in model class interval is model class interval is 5 7. So here L is equal to, here we know that L is the lower limit of the model class. L is the lower limit of the model class. F naught is the frequency of the class preceding the model class, that is 9. Okay, F1 is frequency of the model class, that is 15. F2 frequency of the class succeeding the model class, that this is F2 is equal to, and H is equal to 2. Class size is 2. Okay. Okay, and this is equal to substituting the values of substituting the values L, F1, F0, F2 and H, then we get this result. Then this is equal to 15 into 2 30 minus 18. This is equal to 2 1 2 1 2 6 this 6 and this 6 get cancelled, we get 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Mode is 6. Okay, mode is 6. Next, question number 29. Here, draw a less than type ogiva for the given data. Here, daily income of 50 workers of a factory are given in following table. Okay, here we consider this is less than type problem. Okay, less than type problem, we consider upper limits. Okay, here this is equal to, okay, this is equal to okay, here we consider the scale x-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 10 units, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 units on x-axis, and y-axis is 1 centimeter is equal to 5 units. Okay, here okay, here x is equal to sorry 100 x is equal to, x coordinate is 100, then y coordinate is 0, y coordinate is 0, and x is equal to, okay, okay, by using the given table, plotting the graph, okay, like this. Here this point and this point, this point, this point, this point and this point, we get the curve is like this. Okay, this is less than type ogiva. Okay, here the scheme of elevation is like this. Okay, here by using appropriate okay, by using scale, the scale is equal to x and y axis scale is half, and plotting the points is 1.5 marks. Then draw the graph, we award 1 mark, total 3 mark questions. Okay, next question number 30. Question number um, question number 30. Question number 30. Okay, here a bag containing 3 red balls, 5 white balls, 8 blue balls. One ball is taken out of the bag at a random. Find the probability that the ball taken out, a red ball, not a white ball. It means to find a probability that the ball taken out 3 red balls plus 8 red balls. It means to find the probability that the ball taken out is not a white ball, both are same. Okay, now we will discuss solutions of this question. Okay, here the total possible outcome or total sample space. Okay, here total possible outcomes is equal to 3 balls, 5 balls plus 8 balls is equal to n of s is equal to 16. S is the sample space. First one, let R be the event taking out a red ball. Here there are total number of favorable outcomes is n of R is equal to 3. Okay, it means 3 red balls are there. The probability taking out the red ball is P of R is equal to n of R divided by n of S. Then this is simple formula. N of R is equal to 3 and n of S is equal to 6. Okay, here P of R is equal to 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 3 by 16. Okay, this is the first solution. And B, let A be the event taking out not a white ball. It means to find the probability that the balls taken red balls and blue balls. Okay, here n of A is equal to 11 because number of favorable outcomes to the event is 3 plus 8 is equal to 11. Okay, by using a same formula 11 by 16, this is the solution of question number 30. Okay, next question number 31. Okay, this is a standard proof. Length of tangents drawn from axle point to a circle are equal. Okay, here we draw a right diagram, we award half mark. Okay, next this is equal to draw the PQPR are the tangents drawn from axial point P to the circle with center O. To prove, our aim is to prove PQ is equal to PR. Okay, construction, join OP, QOQ and OR. Here in triangle POQ and POR. Here angle Q is equal to angle R because radius is perpendicular to the tangent. The point of contact OQ is equal to OR, radius of the same circle. OP is equal to OP, this is common side. By using RHS criterion, then we say that the given two triangles, POQ and POR, these two triangles are congruent triangle. Because of this, PQ is equal to PR because CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangle. This is the proof. This is the proof. Okay, or by using alternative method to find to prove the required result. This is also correct. By using this method also. Okay, this is equal. Okay, 32. Okay, this is 32 question. Question number 32. Construct a triangle ABC with side BC is equal to 3 cm, AB is equal to 6 cm, AC is equal to this. Construct a triangle whose sides is 4 by 3 of the corresponding sides of the triangle ABC. Okay. Okay, here the construction is like this. Now here in this case we will discuss the scheme of valuation. Scheme of valuation is like this. Okay, constructing given circle we award 1 mark. 1 mark. Drawing acute angles and dividing 4 into 4 parts we award half mark. Drawing parallel lines, okay, we award 1 mark. This is equal to triangle A B dash C dash we award half mark. Okay, this is the procedure to find to construct triangle ABC. Okay, B dash C dash. Question number 33. Question number 33. ABCD is a rectangle of length 20 cm and breadth 10 cm. OAPB is a sector of a circle of radius 10 into root 2. Calculate the area of the shaded region. Okay, here this is a simple problem. Here our aim is to find area of the shaded region. Okay, area of the shaded region. Okay, area of the shaded region. In a triangle AOB. Okay, in a triangle AOBA, Here we construct join we join AB. We join AB. We join AB here or triangle AOB. Okay. Triangle AOB. AB is given. OA is given. OB is also given. AB square is equal to, first we have to prove the triangle AOB is a right angle triangle. Okay, because of this AB is equal to OA is equal to OB is equal to AB square is equal to 400 centimeter square. Then here OA square is equal to OB square is equal to 200 plus 200, then is equal to 400 square. Then we say that okay, we satisfying this result. AB square is equal to OA square plus OB square. Therefore AOB is a right angle AOB is a right angle triangle, and angle AOB is equal to 90 degree. Okay, here now area of the shaded region area of the shaded region is equal to area of a rectangle ABCD minus area of a segment APB. Then area of a rectangle is equal to L into B. Then area of a sector area of a sector OA PB minus area of a triangle AOB. Okay, then substituting the values L and B, and area of a sector OA BP is equal to this, and here area of a triangle is equal to the AOB is a right angle triangle by using 1 by 2 into base into height, OA into OB, and then substituting the all values in this result, and after simplification we get this. Okay, this is equal to okay, 200 minus 57, 143 centimeter square. This is the solution of okay, this is the first question. This is the first proof of solutions of first question. And second question, okay, here area of the cloth required is equal to area of the sector. Okay, area of the sector. Area of the sector is equal to by using this formula. 5 is equal to 22 by 7. R is 27 into 27, 21 into 22 into 21, and this is area of the cloth required. Length of the metal wire required is equal to length of the arc of the sector plus 2 times of radius. Okay, then theta by 360 degree into 2 phi r plus 2r. Then put theta is equal to phi is equal to r is equal to, then after simplification we get this result. This is 86 centimeter. 86 centimeter. Therefore area of the cloth is 462 centimeter. The length of the metal wire is 86 centimeter. Okay, this is the proof of question number 33. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Then next video are coming soon. Okay.